Your body is a temple. Every drop of water is a word. Every touch is a lesson. Forget the grammar books. Today, we learn through care. Let's refresh. Bathroom ritual. Wipe the mirror. Pick up a toothbrush. Wet the toothbrush. Squeeze toothpaste. Brush the teeth. Rinse the toothbrush. Tie the hair. Splash some water. Pick up a face cleanser. Make some foam. Massage the skin. Rinse the foam. Pat face dry with a towel. Pick up a bottle of toner. Gently wipe over the entire face. Use a facial moisturizer. Apply sunscreen. Apply lip balm. A fresh face, a fresh mind, and a fresh language. You just learned 120 words while taking care of yourself. Confidence starts with understanding. See you tomorrow. What is your skincare routine? Write fresh in the comments if you liked this. Subscribe for your daily glow.